I do think it's a good idea to put a photo of yourself, at least just a photo, like on your Facebook page, so that people know who you are, they know your face, they know like who to expect. Because yeah, it makes them feel more comfortable that they know what you look like. That's kind of like your first point of building that rapport with your client. I think it's really important that they know what they're going to get. So I know like a lot of you don't want to put your photo up on Facebook, but I think it's a really good idea and your clients will appreciate it. And yeah, it settles their nerves. They know what you look like, they know what to expect. So yeah, just even if it's just a little action shot, if you can do a video like this, then that's awesome. Do a video by all means, they love the videos, but just so that they know who you are and what to expect. Now, something else I want to talk to you about is the actual running of the business through Facebook. So that has been the best, most successful thing that I've ever done. So I do not have a phone number attached to my business at all, like at all. I am uncontactable. I don't want to be at someone's house and my phone ringing. Like that's not professional. Like you can't do that. That's wrong. And I don't want people calling me either. Like I don't want to talk to people. I just don't want to talk to people. As simple as that. I enjoy my freedom and my solitude. So all of my dealings are through Facebook PM. And the thing is, I can't really help a customer over the phone anyway, because I need to know, like, you can't just be like, oh, hey, I want rainbow hair, my hair's brown. Like, I need more detail. I need to actually see it to be able to give you a proper quote. So I can't really help people over the phone anyway. And the good thing about through Facebook is it's all in writing. So if anything ever comes back on me, touch wood, everything has been put in writing. Everything, there's no miscommunications about the price. They know exactly what it is before I get there, so there's no shocks. Everything has been discussed. I have an autoresponder on my Facebook, which gets rid of a lot of time wasters. See, I don't have time for time wasters, so I'm very direct when I'm dealing with customers, and usually within 2 or 3 messages, they have made a booking. So I'll just talk you through the way I do that. I hope I'm not rambling. You can stop watching if you want. Okay, so my autoresponder. So when people message me on Facebook, the first thing they get is this auto response, and it says, "Hi, thanks for your inquiry. I am mobile." So that's the first thing that they get, is that they are told that I am a mobile hairdresser, because I've had a lot of people waste my time and send me little messages like, "Hey, where are you located?" And that's just wasting my time. It's pointless. So like I'm telling them direct. I'm telling them everything up front in the autoresponder. So I am mobile. Also, I charge $50 per hour plus price of products. So they know straight out. And it just stops people, oh, hey, how much is this? Hey, how much is that? Blah, 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 waste my time. No. So they know from the beginning, they know I'm mobile, they know what I charge. $50 per hour plus price of products. Next, my minimum call out is 4 hours. So I won't go out for less than that. It's not worth my while. I only take 1 client a day. I make sure that job is worth my while. So they're thinking, okay, she charges $50 an hour. Her minimum call out is 4 hours. So, 5, 10, 15, 20. So $200 is my minimum. If I've got a customer that doesn't want to pay that, then straight off the bat, before they've even got through to me, they can leave and not waste my time. They know, okay, she's not cheap. So if I'm looking for a price, probably going to look somewhere else. I know it sounds forward, but I've just been screwed over so many times, and I'm done. I'm absolutely done with it. No time for that. So next, please send a photo of your hair and your hair goal so I may assist you with a quote and information. A $50 non-refundable deposit applies to hold bookings. Thanks, Sheree. So that's my auto response. That whole sentence there. So I know it's a lot, but you can fit it in if you maybe just shorten the URs and you can shorten it. But yeah, so I've told them everything. I've told them I'm a mobile hairdresser. I've told them how much I charge. I've told them what I need from them, which is photos. And I've told them there's a $50 non-refundable deposit. So they have got all this information, and then they think, okay, so for me to get a quote from this girl, I need to take a photo of my hair. I need to take and send her a photo of what I want. So before I get to this message, usually the person has sent me about 3 or 4 different messages. So by the time I come along and open it up, I can see their first inquiry, then they've got my auto response, then they've read my auto response and sent me the information that I need to be more efficient in helping them. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not wasting anyone's time. They get that information straight away, and then I get the information that I need sooner without even having to ask for it, because that's what my autoresponder has done. So then I look at the photo of their hair, look at the photo of their hair goal, and then I'll tell them, okay, this is what I need to do. This is how long it's going to take me. This is how much it's going to cost. These are my days that I have available. I'll send them my dates, not just, oh, when would you like that done? Like, no, I'll tell you what I have available. So there's no wasting time. I'm very direct. You're like, okay, I have these days available. If you would like to make a booking, please let me know what date would suit you best. I do require a $50 non-refundable deposit, which was said in my autoresponder, but I just say it again. And this will come off the total amount on the day. So that $50 gets subtracted from the $200 or $300, whatever the total is. So yeah, but then at least like if they cancel at the last minute, I kind of get to keep that, which just covers my childcare at least, you know, so I'm not putting myself out. But I do find that once you take that $50 deposit, they are way, way, way less likely to cancel on you because they've put money down. So that's another little good way of getting rid of those time wasters. So I feel like I have filters, and a lot of people will just kind of run away as soon as they hear that I charge $50 an hour. A lot of people will run away as soon as they hear that I take a $50 non-refundable deposit, and that's good. Like, I want them to run away, and at the end of all that, I am left with a quality customer, a good customer that I want. Yeah, I'm sorry, I feel like this is a very long ranting video, but if you let people take advantage of you, they absolutely will. I am someone who has had that happen like so many times, and this is why I have these systems in play. I have this $50 deposit in play because I have been screwed over so many times. I'm not going to go to someone's house and then they're just not there. Like, why waste my time? I'm not going to go and see someone who hasn't paid me a deposit. Simple as that. But like I said, the genuine ones, they understand, they will pay it. They will happily pay it. So those are the kind of customers that you really want. Well, one more thing I will just add that really helped me like take my life back was just turning off my notifications on Facebook. So like, I don't have a phone, you already know that. All my stuff, all my business interactions are through Facebook, and I turn my notifications off because it's like an itch you have to scratch. Like, if you have your phone on and you're at a client's house doing their hair and your phone's sitting there and it's beeping, 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 the client's going to look at your, you know, they're going to know, and they're going to feel a bit uncomfortable, like rushed, like you want to get to your phone. You're going to feel like, oh my God, who's messaging me? And it's just not a good situation. So I would suggest you turn all your Facebook notifications off. And I will come home, I will have dinner with my family, and then at 7 o'clock I will open up my phone when I want to. And then, okay, I'll have about 10 different notifications, but like I'm allocating that time to my phone. And it's just, my head is clearer. I function so much better without it. So I think it's the best thing you can do is just turn off your notifications. Seriously, if it is important, someone will call you. All my family and friends know if I'm working, I don't answer my phone. Unless someone is literally dying and they call me like 3 times in a row, I will not answer my phone. It's not professional. It's not what you should do in someone's house. It's disrespectful. Don't do it. Yeah. And no, none of this, I will, like in your autoresponder, I will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, no, I'm sorry, I will not get back to you as soon as possible. I will get back to you when I feel like it. Like, and that's just a matter of fact. And people need to know I'm a one woman show. Like, I am the only person running my business. I don't have a receptionist. I don't have staff. I'm one person. And if I'm busy out on a job, I'm sorry, but you're not a priority. Like, the customer in front of me is a priority. So when I feel like it, I will get back to you. Don't worry about Facebook's like responding time. Don't worry about that. It doesn't matter. Like, what's the worst thing that's going to happen? A customer messages you, you don't get back to them for 6 hours and they think, oh, I'm just going to go somewhere else. Good. Let them go somewhere else. Like, my customers come to me because they want me, you know, and the good ones, they will wait. So yeah, just don't worry about your responding time. So long as I always respond to them within the day, unless they message me at like 9 o'clock at night, then they can wait till the following day. But yeah, you know, let them wait for you, let them come to you, don't worry about it. And yeah, if they have anything to say, you just like, well, I'm sorry, I don't have a receptionist, I don't have a PA, I'm one person. Get over it. So I hope that that's been helpful. I'm sorry I rambled on so much. If there's anything else you want to know about how I run my business or mobile hairdressing or anything like that, please let me know in the comments, because I love hearing you guys' ideas on like what to make for my next video. I've had a lot of crazy experiences in my time, so I've probably got a lot to talk about. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have found this helpful, can you please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like? Thank you so much. Bye bye.